flexing on those haters, and they can't do anything about it.
Nothing.
Yeah, ride that Escalade up there, Poncho.
Zero.
My first grade teacher told me I would never be shit.
Dude, my first grade teacher literally said, just drop out now, you're an idiot. And guess who's the idiot now? I'm still the idiot.
Look at me now, Mom.
I'm in the back of a pickup truck, dude, so who cares?
What up, man?
It's the last day of SEMA.
Dude, you see my tank?
You want to see my what? We had to start the day with my first time having Chick-fil-A in like a week.
Bro, this guy, man, can't stay away from Chick-fil-A. We're all the way in Las Vegas.
They knew my name back then. Let's get this bread, baby. We made it to the show, me and PJ. I gotta show love to my favorite Venom guy. Tony, you're the best, but he's definitely my favorite of the other group over there. So, best videographer in the nation. I say everybody is, but best videographer in the nation. Gotta show love to my dude. I was gonna dab you up, but I got something in my hand. Sorry.
Thank you guys, yeah.
Good to see you. I hope you enjoy the week. I hope Vegas is not winning.
No, I think we got a leg up on Vegas. But yeah, we'll see what happens tonight.
My guy's from LA, so he's used to it. He's used to it.
That's right.
Get you some bread today, baby. Good to see you. Saw this online the other day, so I want to make sure to throw it in the video. Lightning McQueen side by side, wide body king. Okay, I like the red and yellow. That looks cool. Oh, this is sick. TIS off-road tires with it. Lifted Rivian 6x6. That's dope, isn't it? That's different. That is, I don't even know what to say for something like this. That's freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie, I like this one. JTX, the Wicked Lift. The only thing that I don't like about the Wicked Lift though is that it's a glorified torsion drop. You know what I mean? I'm spoiled now by having the full 4-link in the front. This is the same design in the front. It's like a combination between what a Mcgaughys kit would be and a Papi's kit, because it still has the big control arm setup, coilover setup, and everything that you can do in the front, but it's a glorified torsion drop. Like, it looks like a big cradle lift, but it's still a torsion. So I mean, I guess it's the best of both worlds. I'm not hating on it by no means, but I would rather have, if I'm going this big, I want 4-link front, 4-link rear. You know what I mean? I love the high countries. Everybody does Denali's, first of all. So if I get one, I'm doing high country.
Bro,
absolutely. Not even a question, I'm doing high country if I get one of these.
100% actually. Maybe 2015, different story. But.
Yeah, like well, no, I'm still doing Chevy, my body style. I don't care.
OMG. All right, big deal. Powder coated frame. This is probably a 24.
Yeah, 24 high country, all like a Nardo gray.
Powder coated
frame off, beautiful, like almost like an illusion blue lift kit, Wicked with the polished accents. 30-inch JTXs. It's a beautiful ass truck.
Yeah,
absolutely beautiful.
This thing's wicked. This thing's wicked.
I wish it was on a Papi's kit, but we can't win them all, you know? Can't win them all. It is a high country though, so I'm happy. Like a thief in the night out here just incognito, Mr. Flawless Whips himself in Vegas.
Having fun, man.
How long you been here?
Since Wednesday.
Been having a good time?
Yeah.
I can see it on your face.
Taking it easy though.
Really?
Yeah, I went to bed like 9 last night.
See, I feel like lame ass of the group because I've been asleep by 10 o'clock every night.
I'm ready to go, man.
Vegas is kicking my ass, bro. I've been here since Friday night and it's been...
You gotta,
oh man,
you know, fucking just take it easy.
Get in, get what you need, and get out maybe. Something like that. Hey,
it's good to be here.
I'm always gonna show love.
It's my first time.
I'm always gonna make sure to shout you out and show love in the videos. This guy's killing it, absolutely killing it. It's cool to go from one show to another and just see you and see how big it's gotten. And again, I'm gonna tell you. Wait, I think I told you earlier. You posted a YouTube video yet or no?
No.
Terrible.
What I should be doing right now.
Look,
honestly.
out here in Vegas, we having a great time. We're getting this bread, that's it. Flawless Whips on top, Flawless Whips to the moon. Like I said, I just want to show some love to you.
We'll be here one day. What up?
Yo!
Haha, we run into each other yet again, bro.
That's a different video, though.
Dude, different video, bro.
I gotta tell you in every video.
Dude, every video, bro.
Why not?
Every week this video, bro.
New day, new introduction. Bro. Ray out here. Nicest truck at SEMA.
Dude, know it.
Come on now.
Alex loves it.
I have to forget while I'm walking around. If I see a truck the first day, I'm not gonna want to film it every single day, but they're all different videos. Yeah. So it's like, they're gonna want to see different videos, but you gotta find that fine line between showing the same thing every day and not. You know what I mean?
Hey, y'all look good.
Boys in the cut, that's all I'm saying. In such a long time. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work. This is Mitch from Adrenaline Off-Road, and I've known this guy for like years now. What? I've known this guy for like years years now, and I finally got him on the channel, and there's gonna be some collabs coming soon. That's the only thing I want to do. Just make sure he's in the video. Make sure that I finally show some love to my guy Mitch from Adrenaline Off-Road in the videos. He's got the huge gold Ram back there.
The Golden Cummins, baby.
The Golden Cummins, right? Exactly. And he's gonna be in some videos soon, so make sure you guys go show some love to his YouTube channel. Remind me, and I'll put it in the description for you, because I'm terrible about it.
All right, bro. I'll shoot you a text.
Anything for you. And I still got his Starlight kit in my garage.
One of these days.
One of these days.
It'll be somewhere.
Any OGs to the channel remember the Starlight kit that I got that I never put in my truck. I still have it, and it's gonna go in the truck. All right, so we're starting the parade to leave the show. Definitely one of the craziest experiences that I've seen, and we're only a little way into it. Everybody at the show leaves all at the same time and kind of parades out so everybody can see them. We're starting with, I'm about to hop in with Ray.
Dude, this shit's crazy.
Yo, let's see it. Let's see it. Short king problems. I love it.
Now, how are you gonna get up here?
I'm gonna jump. Who said white man can't jump?
Let's see it, dude.
Come on now.
Let's see it.
Come on. That's a big bitch, isn't it?
Huh?
I think it's big, isn't it?
What do you mean?
The truck.
My dick or?
Yeah, that too.
Bro,
Oh.
I didn't know it was hanging out. My bad, my bad. Let him roll back up. Let him roll back up.
I'm gonna get I want to get a clip of it moving real quick. Oh, she's moving.
Just hold that. No, the button don't go. Is it on? Is it recording? Sure is. Success, baby.
Jack of all trades, master of none.
It worked out, bro.
Let's get this bread, baby. Let's get this bread, baby.
It worked out, bro. I'm trying to scream truck rice to you.
Truck rice, truck rice.
I might go live, for real. I might go live, for real.
Look, this is dope.
Go live. This is the best time to go live.
I'll go live. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like
Truck rice.
What is up,
truck
TikTok?
rice.
Just yell every time. It's that guy that wouldn't let me go anywhere this weekend. Dead ass.
Yeah, this is
Let me do anything this weekend.
this is a moment. What are we doing right now? Are we leaving? Hello!
Manny? Is that you?
Manny!
Is that Papi himself?
Yeah, this is dope. Who's that? Can you even see me?
Yeah, it's really, you're really bright though. If you want to get B-roll, that's cool. I'm gonna go live. We going live, baby! Woo! Bro, I got free advertisement out of this motherfucker. You heard? Got my fucking name on the back of my shirt. You heard? Take a look, take a look.
Crude Diesel, baby. Subscribe.
Baby,
Subscribe.
Check me out. Baby. Follow. Baby.
Hey,
Whatever you want to do, baby.
Hey, come on now.
Do a little slide ski, buddy.
Come on now.
Hey,
Red
yo.
gang, come on now.
Red gang, little red gang.
Come on now.
We live with it right now.
What's this logo looking like over here? Fire. Fire. Fire.
Bro, don't be scared, bro. Hit it. On the chest.
Fire. Fire, buddy. Fire.
I know, I keep getting more connection too for no reason. Doesn't even show your level. Yeah.
Hey!
What you doing, my boy? Working, man. Hey, get this on your camera, my boy.
Oh no. Breaking the box.
Staring at man.
You're famous.
Hey guys, no pictures. Please no pictures. Please no pictures.
Here at the SEMA show every single year.
Bro, this is crazy.
Who are these people?
That's Zach, yes. That's
I know
him.
for a fact I matched with one of these bitches on Tinder out here. There's gotta be one. At least one.
We're cruising into the night here.
Back there.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, wee wow.
Bro, look that way. We kind of got.
No shot. Hello? Oh, we're in the back one. We got the truck on the way out here. Literally parading out.
Bro, this is dope.
And,
Look at. There's so many people that way.
Whose truck is this?
His name is Ray, and he does not have the Instagram on the back of the truck. Italian something.
It's a big ass fucking Duramax. I think. There's just gas.
It's Duramax.
Oh, that's a big ass Duramax black truck. Hey, 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 hey.
The opportunity to do something like this is like once, well, technically once a year, because SEMA's only once.
1 out of 10.
I mean, literally once a year. But for the video, it's once in a lifetime. I'm gonna say that.
I also didn't want to fucking sit in a clap box. So I'm glad we're in a nice truck.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Yep, I got all you guys' faces. Try to do something, I'm gonna fucking report you. Was there that many people? Was there many people at the show?
Absolutely.
Are you serious?
100%.
Crazy, my boy. Everywhere, my boy. This is fucking crazy.
I think this is the end though. It's okay, no, just just whip the U-turn in the middle of the road, Ray. I love it. Let's go down the strip, baby.
Subscribe to the channel. Ray's got that big dick energy, dog. Massive. Hey, what do you do?
What cop?
Subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't pull out of your girl. Whoa, I suck at that. Yo, this dude's gonna blink. What? What a clown, dude. That's crazy. Hey! Hey! Show me your tits! Oh, baby, chill. You must be dragging a dog.
Hey!
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's my cousin. There's a flying saucer on that bitch. Is that Paul Walker? Yo, what? He's dead, dude. Chill. That's not funny. Fuck. Too soon. No shot. I just got the to the curb and shit.
Oh, be careful for the love of God. We gotta watch that one. Be safe, buddy!
Dude, these are some badass fucking rollers.
That wasn't good. That wasn't good.
A lug nut? Lug nut?
Hey!
He's waving to us. That place is sick, bro. We're literally on the strip of Vegas right now, dude. We're flexing on those haters, and they can't do anything about it.
Nothing.
Yeah, ride that Escalade up there, Poncho.
Zero.
My first grade teacher told me I would never be shit.
Dude, my first grade teacher literally said, just drop out now, you're an idiot. And guess who's the idiot now? I'm still the idiot.
Look at me now, Mom.
I'm in the back of a pickup truck, dude, so who cares?
Look. Truck looks good.
Appreciate it.
Hella good.
Thank you. Buddy, chill.
Oh shit.
Chill, bro, chill. Chill, bro, chill.
Oh no.
Chill, bro, chill.
Bro, this is crazy.
I'm about to rip my fucking necklace off.
You almost dropped your phone?
I'm about to choke my fucking neck. No shot. God dang.
You're good, you're good.
No,
I believe in you, 100%.
Busted, bro.
100%.
Oh, fuck. Take your kid to Chick-fil-A day. I already know I'm gonna bust my ass.
Oh, see, you're good.
Fuck.
That was better than me getting in. No shot that we leave SEMA, ride down the strip a little bit, and the first place we pull up to is Chick-fil-A. No shot. To have Chick-fil-A with the two most famous YouTubers at SEMA?
You better chill with that camera stuff. All right, buddy? You're getting a little crazy. We searched for that, you know what I mean?
Cell phone guys
I'm trying to eat.
over there.
No.
How beautiful that is.
What's that tent, bro?
Now it's even prettier. My man's out here eating. How do you feel right now eating Chick-fil-A? We just left SEMA. You're the most famous person at SEMA. How do you feel right now?
Pretty stoked, man. Pretty stoked.
The truck is fucking beautiful. I hope you know that.